The learning objectives for TR-10 are: know what a Pythagorean triple is, know how to use a Pythagorean triple to check if a corner is square, and know how to use a Pythagorean triple to construct a square corner. You should be able to answer, what is a Pythagorean triple? It's a set of three integers that satisfy the Pythagorean equation, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And they're noteworthy because their lengths form a right triangle. The 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple is the most well known because it has the smallest integers and is handy for real-life applications. With just a tape measure and a friend, how would you check this corner for square? Describe your plan step by step and how you would draw your conclusion. Here's one way to do it using a 6, 8, 10 triangle. Staying on the outside edge of the painted stripes, measure 6 feet from the corner to point A. Then, staying on the outside edge of the painted stripes again, for consistency, measure 8 feet from the corner to point B. Then, measure the distance from point A to point B. If that distance is exactly 10 feet, then the corner is square, a perfect 90-degree angle. This is exactly what the craftsman did in the main video. You have 6 wooden dowels, exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 feet long. To construct a fence, you need to mark a line perpendicular to an existing wall at point A. How can you do this using only the dowels? This is a top-down view. We only need the dowels of length 3, 4, and 5 to solve this problem. Here's one way to proceed. Put the 4-foot dowel against the existing wall with one end at point A. Then lay the 5-foot dowel out at a diagonal so one end touches the end of the 4-foot dowel. Then put the 3-foot dowel down so that one end is at point A. Now adjust the 3-foot and 5-foot dowels so their ends meet. If the dowels are touching at all the corners, then the corner at A is square, and you can mark the perpendicular line along the 3-foot dowel. This is what the gardener did in the main video. Please note that any right triangle will work for these applications, but the 3, 4, 5 triangle is easy to remember and measure, so it's used a lot.